In this video, I'll show you how to connect your wireless mouse and keyboard to your PlayStation 5. So let's get started right away. Alright, so the first step is to take your PlayStation controller and we need to go into the settings menu. So on the top right corner, select settings. And from here, you need to go down until you select accessories. Select this, select general, select Bluetooth accessories. And here you're going to see everything that is currently connected to your PlayStation 5. And over here are the accessories that are waiting to get connected. They are in pairing mode and they're just waiting. So let's start by connecting your wireless mouse. So this is a pretty basic one. It's a Logitech and it can connect using Bluetooth and also using a USB dongle. Like this one over here. You see, many wireless mouses are still using those USB dongles and they can be very useful because let me just show you 1 second. So this mouse, if I put it in pairing mode, let me turn it on. I need to press this button until the light is blinking. Now it's in pairing mode and the PlayStation is actually able to see it. If I go down below, okay, this is my mouse, the Logitech M650. And if I select it, it will tell me that it's not supported. Not all wireless Bluetooth mouse and keyboards are supported by the PS5. It depends on the models. But if your mouse has one of these, it has much more chance to work. Let me show you. So Bluetooth doesn't work, but if I connect this over here in one of the front ports, it has detected the mouse. It's thinking that it's a keyboard though, that doesn't make much sense, but it has detected the mouse. If I take the controller after plugging the dongle and press the PS button, I should get these options down below. Go and select accessories, which is this one, accessories. And you should see your mouse appearing. As I said, this PlayStation thinks that the Logitech mouse is a keyboard. This is why it says USB keyboard, but definitely this is from the mouse. So select your mouse, click keyboard settings or mouse settings. And from here you will be able to change the settings for your keyboard. But in our case, it's a mouse. You can change stuff about the mouse as well. So if you're right-handed or left-handed and the pointer speeds, you have 3 different choices. It's not much customizable, but hey, you have these choices. Now, what if you have a Bluetooth keyboard that is actually compatible? Well, it's very simple. Let me go back over here in Bluetooth accessories. Take your keyboard, turn it on. This is a Logitech keyboard too, so okay, I turn it on, put it in pairing mode. This Bluetooth keyboard, I can pair it using these buttons. Then you should see your keyboard appearing down below in this list, selected. It will ask you to type a password. This is the password that you need to type on your keyboard. So I'll just type 754266 and then press enter. You need to press enter a few times. Here we go. And now it has been added to your keyboard list and it should work. Not all games are compatible with mouse and keyboard, so keep this in mind as well. And when it's connected, again, press the PS button here. Go in accessories down below. Select your keyboard. This is mine, BT keyboard. Select keyboard settings and you'll be able to change a few settings of your keyboard. Very easy. Now, what if your keyboard is not connecting? If even after you did exactly what I just told you, it's not able to connect and you cannot use it. Well, there's a small trick on how to solve this issue. So let's go ahead and check this out. Take your PS5 controller and we need to go into the settings. Then from here, you need to go and select system. Then once you're in system, we need to go down and select remote play. Make sure enable remote play is turned on. Put it on for every profile you have on your PS5. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.